What's up, homies? It's Davis, and I wanted to drop a video to update you guys on a lot of the stuff that is going on in that prop space right now. So as you know, we had 3 accounts, TFF, gone, not gone, but they're working on getting a trading platform that we can trade on again. So that gone. Funded Engineer, gone. Not gone for good, but they have an issue with their dashboard provider, FPFX. I'll go ahead and throw up the message that they sent out on their Discord and via email to people that have accounts with them. So that gone. The only account that I have right now that's not frozen is the Funded Trader. And who knows what's gonna happen to that one this week, if that will be gone or have some issue that will cause it to not be usable. But just wanted to update you guys. So where do the accounts stand right now? We have Funded Engineer. After that trade I had on Monday, I had a 0.85% profit trade. So Funded Engineer as well as the Funded Trader account both got that trade. Obviously trueforexfunds still frozen, so that did not get this trade. But Funded Engineer, we are at 3.1%, so I got about 1.9% to finish up that challenge. And then the Funded Trader, just at 1.5% on that phase 1 for that one, since I had to, as you know from my last video, I started that account because of the trueforexfunds issues. And that is where we stand. Of course, trueforexfunds was 1.4% away from passing, so that one is almost complete, but obviously we have to wait for that to be get a trading platform from them. So, and it's pretty interesting because I think all of us in the US at least that use prop firms are at a similar spot. These are prop firms that, I mean, you see countless videos of how credible they are and how you're seeing people get payouts and everything. But one thing that we can't control is basically what happens behind the scenes, like what they have issues with their providers, things like that, or it doesn't seem like the regulation has come into play yet with these companies, aside from myforexfunds, but that was kind of a different issue there. So as of right now, my main thing, I may actually move some of my money to a personal account. Still deciding whether I'll be going the regulated broker route or just like another unregulated. And then from there, if I do choose unregulated, do I want to just go with Trade Locker or DXTrade, like a company that has some of the new tools, since we're moving away from MetaQuotes pretty soon in the US. So that's pretty much where I'm at. Basically, the biggest issue is that we're not able to move forward with any of the challenges that I have that are, they're both a trade away from passing for both of those phase 2 accounts I have. So at the very least, it doesn't seem like we've lost the accounts. It just does seem like there are back end tech issues that need to be worked out. And we received notice from Funded Engineer that they do plan to have this fix rolled out by Tuesday of next week. So theirs is a dashboard issue. So basically from what we were seeing in the kind of how it went down and what they've been telling us on the Discord is that FPFX, which was their provider for their dashboard, it seems like they got rid of the contract because they've already been given notice by Funded Engineer that Funded Engineer is going to be implementing their own dashboard services. So basically, after that announcement was made, that this announcement happened, I believe like on the 4th or something, pretty recently. But essentially, after that announcement was made, it seems like FPFX just decided they didn't want to deal with Funded Engineer anymore, so they just dropped it, and then they released a bunch of negative publicity about them. I'm not here to say whether or not it's true or not. All I know is they haven't said that we're losing our accounts or anything, so I'm just gonna see what happens. And One thing to keep in mind, guys, is that all of the money that I'm using for these challenges is money that I'm willing to lose. So it's not like I am putting money in that I need for my rent, and I'm literally at my job right now. Like, I have a full-time job, so this is a hobby, and I've definitely improved quite a bit over the last few years here. But one thing that I can control is what happens to these companies. And the last update for this video, because my lunch break is almost over, but the trueforexfunds actually updated their Discord too, so I'm gonna go ahead and post that in this video. Basically just advising that they're switching over to C-Trader. That is going to be their next integration to get people back to trading. The only issue with that is that that is actually not available for US traders. Like, C-Trader does not support the US anymore. So I don't know what they're going to do with people like us that have accounts, have their accounts in the US. So we will have to see how they move forward with that. But those are pretty much the biggest updates. I don't think I will be trading tomorrow. I think I'm just going to spend this weekend deciding if I'm going to go the personal account route. So the big thing here, guys, is that I just wanted to show you that, we're gonna be facing this for quite a bit, the next, I would say, at least year, with new regulations coming in, and just, there's a lot of moving pieces in the industry right now that, as the traders, we're pretty much at the bottom level as far as, when we'll get notified of things happening, and you kind of keep seeing this. So we'll see how this develops moving forward. The main thing I'm doing is just going to diversify where I'm going to be putting my capital for trading, and mainly just so I can get some payouts, man. Like, I'm trading and I'm expecting, I already expected I should have already had TFF passed, but closed down. So things like that where, like, I need some way to make profit off of this, or I'm just wasting my time at this point. So, I'm still sticking with my system and still going to be doing the same exact things. But at the end of the day, like, if I can't ever have a withdrawal because everything just keeps going down, it's going to be tough to continue on the propfirm path. So that is the largest reason that I'm thinking maybe just get a personal account started and just kind of mess around with that. Because I had one at first, but I just decided to switch to primarily focusing on prop firms to just build more capital for my personal. But it just doesn't seem like that is, like, this is going to be like basically a month that I've had, probably going to be over a month, where I'm going to have 2 accounts that are phase 2, 1 trade away, that I can't even access. So I'm just going to have to be reactive here and do what I think is best to, develop as a trader and be able to take money out of the game. And one thing to keep in mind, guys, is as this is happening, I still do have a full-time job. I'm in the office right now as I'm recording this. So this is all money that I'm willing to lose. I don't want to lose it, but it's not like because I can't access my account, I can't pay my bills. So there's not any issue there. So I would say if you're trying to use prop firms or trading on unregulated brokers as a way to get out of your current circumstance, I would say maybe look into it a bit more just to see if that's what you want to do, especially with what is going on in the industry right now. You really want to make sure you have some type of income if you're going this route, and that's something I don't have to worry about, and that's something I would hope that you guys would be concerned about too, just making sure you have that cash flow to do things like this, because whatever happens, I'm still chilling. This is literally just a hobby. Like, so I want to make it a full-time thing, but if I can't control things going down, then I guess I can't switch to full-time yet. So it's just one of those things, and that is why I like to make these videos, just showing you guys real traders, real emotions. Like, I'm someone that has a full-time, like, this is literally just something that I have to do as an additional job. So that is the update. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to subscribe down below. Comment if you have any questions, or if you want to share your thoughts about the situation. I know it seems like it's affecting a lot of people. I don't see too many videos about it, which is why I want to make these videos and just keep people up to date with the happenings in the industry right now. But yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next update. Have a good one. Peace.